To accept Google Pay in Learn Worlds. Start by understanding the basics of Google Pay and its integration with Learn Worlds. Google Pay is a digital wallet that allows users to make payments online and in-app. And Learn Worlds is an online platform that offers various educational courses and resources. First, ensure that your Learn Worlds account is set up to accept payments. To do this, log into your account and navigate to the Payment Settings section. Here, you will find options to connect your Google Pay account. Click on the Google Pay option and follow the prompts to link your account. Next, configure your payment settings to accept Google Pay. This may involve setting up a payment gateway, such as Stripe or PayPal, that supports Google Pay. Make sure to follow the instructions provided by the payment gateway to complete the setup process. Once your payment settings are configured, you can start accepting Google Pay payments in Learn Worlds. To do this, create a new course or resource and set a price for it. When a user purchases the course or resource, they will be presented with a payment options screen that includes Google Pay. As the seller, you will receive the payment in your connected payment gateway account. Make sure to test the payment process to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by making a test purchase using Google Pay. Best practices for accepting Google Pay in Learn Worlds include ensuring that your payment settings are up to date, testing the payment process regularly, and providing clear instructions to users on how to use Google Pay. Additionally, make sure to comply with all relevant laws and regulations, such as those related to taxes and consumer protection. By following these steps and best practices, you can start accepting Google Pay payments in Learn Worlds and provide a convenient and secure payment option for your users. This will help to increase sales and improve the overall user experience.